This is a $30 charcuterie board gets you in 2023. So dito sa Amerika, I went to Aldi and spent $29.41, so just below $30. Nako, malapit na. Okay, if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet delicious cheese board, this video is for you at inspiration rin. Kumbaga, sana makakuha kayo ng inspiration and some knowledge naman about dito sa cheese board na ito. But nakafocus tayo sa Aldi. Alright, hi guys, my name is Rhea. Welcome to the channel. I hope you're all having a peaceful day. So I really like having a charcuterie or cheese board for the holidays or any occasion because it's really easy. Napaka-easy na appetizer ito. So basically, ang cheese board is an assortment of cheese, crackers, nuts, dried fruits, deli meat, fruit, and spreads. At the end of the day, it's whatever you want. It's customizable. So add your favorite food, okay? This one here ay simple lang ang cheese board na ito. So, I got 3 kinds of cheeses. Cheeses, or basta, maraming S ata yun. Anyway, so I got I got camembert, soft and creamy na cheese yan, Gouda, which is semi-hard, and goat, which is soft rin, yung goat, okay? So basically, mga 3 to 4 kinds of cheese and then different textures. So sa Aldi, ito yung mga cheese na nakuha ko. Okay? So for the Gouda, magkano ba yun? $2.49. Ang goat cheese ay $3.19. Brie or yung camembert, nakalagay dito brie, pero ang kinuha ko naman ay camembert. So, $3.79. Mura lang yun. So, okay. Moving forward, kailangan natin ng crackers. Important. Crackers or bread. Nasa inyo yan. Pero dito, kumuha ko ng crackers na neutral lang yung flavor. I got 2 na crackers for $1.69 each. Marami na yon. Okay? Then next, ay kumuha ako ng mixed nuts. So, sa mixed nuts na yon, meron ng almond, raisins, na pa ba? Walnuts. So, mixed na siya, which is good para may variety. Okay? So, nuts. And then, what else pa? Ano pang kinuha ko? Kumain ako ng deli meat. Hindi ko nga lang alam anong specific na name talaga dito. But, tinatawag siyang Italian na deli meat. But, yeah. Available yan sa Aldi naman. Alright. And then, kumuha rin ako ng dried fruit na apricots. So, yun yung available. And what else? Of course, yung grapes na talagang hindi mawawala sa akin yung grapes. Hindi siya yung talaga authentic na cheese board ito. Kasi 'di ba yung authentic ata wala namang grapes. Parang Americanized na siya. Okay. And then sa spread naman yung strawberry jam na or strawberry preserves na available sa Aldi. So ito yung mga nabili ko for $30. Marami na talaga. So nakikita niyo dito this will probably serve mga 4 to 8 people. Yeah, marami na talaga to guys. At appetizer lang naman to, 'di ba? Minsan nga pag sa appetizer pa lang busog nga baka hindi nakainin yung yung mga main dish na lutuin nyo for the holiday. But anyway, so yun. Sa cheese board naman or charcuterie board ay kung ano yung available sa inyo, pwede nyo yung gamitin. Like for sure meron kayong honey or iba pang mga jams, dried fruit and nuts, crackers, but this video ay nakafocus talaga so kung ano yung nakukuha natin sa $30 sa taong 2023 kasi 'di ba? May inflation tayo mga dear at talagang mahal ang mga bilihin. So here, I'm showing you guys yung personal favorite ko na combination, yung crackers and then mag-spread ng camembert na cheese or brie, grapes, and then spread. Yun, para talaga siyang but it's really good, super. So, yun. What else? Check your fridge and your pantry kung ano pa yung mga available para madagdagan. Pero kung yung budget nyo naman ay more than $30, then marami pa kayong makukuha na iba't ibang crackers doon sa Aldi. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope na itry nyo ang ganitong klaseng appetizer kasi napakadali lang talaga gawin at budget friendly. Thank you so much for watching and as always, you guys take care.